Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make slime. So the first thing you want to do is pour in some glue. I'm just using Elmer's glue. Sorry that the gallon of glue got in the way of the video. I had to move it, but yeah. So you just want to pour in as much glue as slime as you want. So I just poured in a little bit because I didn't want too much slime. And then next thing you're going to do is you're going to get some food coloring. And I just went ahead and grabbed some green food coloring because that just seems like the color that I usually get. But yeah, so it takes me a second to get the food coloring. Okay, I'm getting it now. So I got the food coloring. I just chose green because I just wanted some green slime because I don't have any green right now. So I'm just putting in about 2 drops just to make it like a little bit dark green. So yeah, I just added in 2 drops and it actually didn't turn out to get dark green. It just turned out to be light green, but I'm totally fine with that. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to get borax water, which is just borax and water that's diluted and mixed together really well. So just mix that all together and it will become slime, and I will show you guys what it comes out like in a second because my camera accidentally died, so I had to pause it and just leave exactly how it was and wait for it to charge. So yeah, let's just move on to whenever I finish the slime. Okay, so this is after the slime is finished. It's really nice and stretchy. It has a good smell. For some reason, I just like the smell of Elmer's. But yeah, it's really nice and stretchy and it pokes good. Has good ASMR. But anyways, thanks guys for watching. And please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you want to see more videos. Bye!